The convergence of quantum physics, metaphysics, and ancient wisdom has given rise to a paradigm that challenges conventional notions of reality. Quantum realities propose a dynamic relationship between the observer and the observed, where the mind plays a crucial role in shaping the universe. In this video, we unravel the mysteries surrounding this interplay, delving into the holographic matrix, the teachings of Neville Goddard, Hermes Trismegistus, and the concept of the fourth reality. Imagination creates reality. In the boundless realm of metaphysical exploration, few luminaries shine as brightly as Neville Goddard, a figure whose teachings transcend the temporal boundaries of his era. Neville, a mystic and philosopher of the New Thought movement, articulated a profound philosophy encapsulated in the potent maxim, "Imagination creates reality." This assertion, seemingly simple in its articulation, opens an expansive gateway into the limitless landscape of consciousness and manifestation. At the heart of Neville's philosophy lies the recognition of imagination, not as a mere conduit for fanciful daydreams, but as the divine crucible where the raw materials of existence undergo a transformative alchemy. Imagination, according to Neville, is the creative force that breathes life into the formless ether, weaving the tapestry of our realities with threads spun from the luminous fabric of our thoughts and beliefs. To Neville, the canvas upon which imagination paints is the very fabric of reality itself. Each stroke of imaginative brilliance, fueled by the fervency of belief, becomes a vibrant hue that sculpts the contours of experience. It is a call to transcend the mundane, inviting individuals to embrace the role of masterful artisans in the grand theater of existence. Neville's teachings beckon us to understand imagination not as a passive act of conjuring mental images, but as a dynamic force, a living and breathing entity with the potency to shape the course of our lives. Through the lens of imagination, the ordinary transmutes into the extraordinary, and the mundane acquires a mystical glow. The concept of imagination creates reality serves as an empowering revelation, a beacon guiding seekers to the realization that the theater of consciousness is, in essence, the birthplace of all that we perceive. It implies a coalescence of inner visions and external circumstances, urging individuals to become conscious architects of their destinies. It is an anthem that resounds with the melody of self-empowerment, urging us to awaken the dormant giants within, our latent capacities to envisage, believe, and ultimately manifest. Hermetic wisdom and the all-is-mind principle. The proclamation that all is mind reverberates as a cosmic hymn, resonating with the primordial echoes of creation itself. Hermes Trismegistus invites us to transcend the illusions of materiality, urging recognition that the universe, in its entirety, is an emanation of divine thought. The physical realm, the ethereal expanse, and the ineffable realms beyond are harmonious chords in the symphony of universal consciousness. To delve into the Hermetic all-is-mind principle is to embark on a journey into the sanctum of the infinite mind, the grand repository where the archetypal blueprints of galaxies, stars, and souls are meticulously etched. It is an assertion that transcends the boundaries of conventional dualism, dissolving the artificial schism between the observer and the observed, the knower and the known. In the ethereal dance of Hermetic wisdom, the mind is the loom upon which the fabric of reality is woven, every thought a sacred thread in the cosmic tapestry. The all-is-mind principle extends an invitation to transcend the limitations of sensory perception and embrace the inherent unity of all existence. It posits that the dichotomy between spirit and matter is an illusion, and that the fundamental nature of reality is mental in its essence. In the cauldron of universal thought, the alchemy of creation unfolds, the transmutation of divine ideas into the tangible expressions of the phenomenal world. The fourth reality: dreams as tangible realities. The concept that dreams are already a reality in the fourth dimension opens a captivating portal into the mystical dimensions of consciousness and existence. In this exploration, we transcend the conventional understanding of dreams as mere nocturnal reveries and venture into the possibility that they represent a tangible reality in a dimension beyond our immediate sensory perception. The nature of dreams as fourth-dimensional realities. In the conventional framework of reality, we perceive 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. The fourth dimension, often associated with time, becomes a mysterious realm where the past, present, and future coalesce. Dreams in this paradigm are not relegated to the confines of fleeting illusions, but are seen as a genuine existence in the fourth dimension, where time unfolds in a non-linear, kaleidoscopic fashion. In this perspective, the dream state is not merely a subjective experience confined to the individual mind, but a reality existing independently in a dimension that transcends the boundaries of our waking consciousness. Each dream, then, becomes a snapshot of an alternate reality, a journey into the fourth-dimensional landscape where events and scenarios unfold with their own inherent logic and continuity. Entanglement of consciousness with the fourth dimension. Drawing inspiration from quantum entanglement, where particles remain connected regardless of distance, the notion that dreams exist as a reality in the fourth dimension implies a profound entanglement of consciousness with this dimension. Each dream becomes a unique node in the vast tapestry of the fourth dimension, intricately woven with the threads of conscious experience. From this perspective, the dreamer's consciousness is not bound by the constraints of the three-dimensional space-time continuum, but engages in a dance with the timeless and expansive nature of the fourth dimension. Dreams become more than fleeting episodes of the night. They are glimpses into a parallel reality, a dimension where the soul roams freely and experiences unfold beyond the linear constraints of waking life. Coexistence of dream realities and waking realities. The idea that dreams are already a reality in the fourth dimension challenges the dichotomy between waking and dreaming states. It suggests that, on a fundamental level, both states of consciousness coexist in a seamless continuum. In this paradigm, the experiences and narratives encountered in dreams are as valid and real as those in waking life, blurring the lines between what we traditionally consider real and imaginary. This perspective invites us to reevaluate the significance and impact of our dream experiences. Rather than dismissing dreams as ephemeral illusions, we are prompted to recognize them as integral components of our existence in a multidimensional reality. Each dream becomes a fragment of a larger narrative, a story unfolding simultaneously in the intricate tapestry of the fourth dimension. Personal and collective implications. On a personal level, embracing the idea that dreams are already a reality in the fourth dimension opens the door to a deeper exploration of the self. Dreams are no longer relegated to the realm of psychological processing or wish fulfillment. Instead, they become windows into aspects of our consciousness that extend beyond the limitations of everyday awareness. Collectively, this perspective invites us to reconsider the nature of reality itself. The interconnectedness of individual dream realities in the fourth dimension hints at a collective dream landscape where the experiences of countless individuals contribute to a shared tapestry of existence. This raises intriguing questions about the nature of consciousness, the fabric of reality, and the interplay between different dimensions of existence. Consciousness as the catalyst for reality. The observer effect originates in the enigmatic realms of quantum mechanics, where the behavior of subatomic particles is undeniably influenced by the act of observation. This phenomenon challenges the traditional, deterministic understanding of physics, suggesting that the very act of measuring or observing particles alters their states. The quantum world, then, becomes a realm where the observer is intricately entangled with the observed, and the observer's consciousness becomes an influential factor in shaping the outcomes of quantum events. Expanding beyond the quantum realm, the observer effect proposes that consciousness is not a passive spectator, but an active participant in the co-creation of reality. It suggests that our thoughts, intentions, and perceptions are not inconsequential aspects of our subjective experience, but fundamental contributors to the nature of the external world. In this perspective, consciousness becomes a dynamic and creative force, shaping the unfolding tapestry of reality through the choices made by the observer. Drawing inspiration from quantum entanglement, the observer effect suggests a profound interconnectedness between the observer's consciousness and the observed reality. Just as particles become entangled and share information instantaneously, consciousness becomes entangled with the unfolding events of the external world. This interplay of observer and observed transcends the boundaries of classical causality, hinting at a deeper, non-local connection where the mind and the external world dance in unison. On an individual level, the observer effect has profound implications for personal empowerment. It suggests that by becoming aware of our role as conscious observers, we gain the ability to influence and shape our personal realities. The thoughts we harbor, the intentions we hold, and the perspectives we adopt become active agents in the ongoing process of reality creation. At a collective level, the observer effect invites us to recognize the potential impact of shared consciousness on the larger reality. Collective beliefs, intentions, and the shared focus of a society contribute to the co-creation of a shared reality. This collective influence extends beyond the sum of individual perspectives, shaping the socio-cultural landscapes that define our shared human experience. As we navigate the transformative terrain of the observer effect, ethical considerations come to the forefront. The power of consciousness in shaping reality carries a responsibility that transcends personal desires. It prompts a reflection on the ethical use of intentional observation, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness, compassion, and the consideration of the well-being of individuals and the collective. The symphony of conscious creation. In the tapestry of existence, where science and spirituality intertwine, the holographic matrix, the profound wisdom of Hermes Trismegistus, and the transformative observer effect converge, offering a kaleidoscopic lens through which to perceive the nature of reality. As we navigate the realms of interconnected dimensions and conscious observation, a synthesis emerges, revealing the alchemical dance of consciousness as the true architect of our shared reality. These concepts beckon us to transcend the limits of conventional understanding, inviting us to recognize the profound power nestled within our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. In this alchemy of conscious creation, we find an invitation to embrace our roles as co-creators in the grand tapestry of existence, weaving threads of intention and awareness into the vibrant fabric of our collective journey. The cosmic dance continues, and in the union of scientific inquiry and spiritual insight, we find the key to unlocking the mysteries of consciousness and the boundless potentials of our shared reality.